Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to copy phone book contact from SIM card to Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your contact book. So I'm going to click on my contact book right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top side corner. It take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on import/export contacts. It take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the SIM that you want to copy the contact from. I'm going to select this particular SIM right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on the SIM card that have those contacts. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to select all the contacts. And next thing you need to do is to click on OK. And in a few seconds, every contact is going to be synchronized and simply save and export into your Google account without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.